What's up, guys? About to get ready to wash the car. A late night wash. Just got off work not too long ago. I'm gonna go out here to the car meet at Magic City Octane. I ain't been out there in a minute. Ain't really been doing nothing lately. Just been working. Been cold lately. But I don't know. Just been chilling lately. Ain't really much been going on for real. Can't see me. But so I can get this dirty thing cleaned up, ready for in the morning. We about to get ready to leave and go to this car meet. I'm gonna meet up with my boy Magic out here. Let the car warm up a little bit. That beautiful course up the way. But I'll see y'all whenever I get there. All right.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. I already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.